Why overpay for transport in Singapore? Here's the travel hack for getting around smarter and cheaper. The Ezlink Card is a go-to for both residents and frequent visitors. With a validity of 5 years, it's perfect if you're planning multiple trips to Singapore. The card costs $10, with $5 as a non-refundable fee and $5 stored as value. It's easy to top up, whether at self-service machines, service counters, the Ezlink app, auto top-up, convenience stores, or ATMs. You can top up the card to a maximum value of $500. The Ezlink Card isn't just for public transport like MRT, LRT, and buses. You can also use it at selected retail outlets, ERP and car park payments if your vehicle has dual mode IU. Check out the retail outlets that accept the Ezlink Card at the link in the below description. Why pay with an Ezlink Card? First, it's swift and easy. Just wave your card at the point of sale. Second, you can track your transactions, keeping tabs on what you spend and viewing your payment and transaction history. Third, it offers seamless convenience, allowing you to commute, dine, and shop using just one card. Lastly, you can earn Ezlink reward points every time you spend, redeeming them for attractive rewards. The flexibility doesn't end there. There's no daily usage limit, so you only pay for what you use. However, you'll need to maintain a minimum balance of $3 to keep the card active. And once you refund the card, it becomes invalid. Here's how to get your Ezlink Card when you're at Changi Airport MRT station. When you arrive, you'll see signs pointing in different directions. T2 and T4 to the left, and T1 and T3 to the right. You'll want to head right and exit the MRT station. Once you're out, just walk straight for about 15 meters, and you'll spot the green vending machines. First, select your preferred language on the screen. Next, choose the Ezlink Card from the list of products. Once you've made your selection, hit the Purchase button. Now, choose your payment method, whether it's cash, card, or mobile. If you're using a bank card, just scan the QR code or hold your card in front of the terminal to pay. And finally, don't forget to collect your Ezlink Card within 60 seconds. First, place your card on the reading slot. Next, select the top-up amount you need and choose your payment method. If you'd like a record of your transaction, hit the Receipt button. Finally, remember to take your card. Next, we have the Singapore Tourist Pass, designed for short-term visitors looking to explore the city. This pass offers unlimited rides on public transport, making it ideal for intense sightseeing over 1, 2, or 3 days. Prices are $17 for 1 day, $24 for 2 days, and $29 for 3 days. The Tourist Pass is super convenient. No need to worry about topping up during your stay. And if your travel plans change and you need more days, you can easily top up the card for continued use. Just note, the card itself is non-refundable, but if you have any remaining balance, you can get a refund at the Changi Airport T2 Ticketing Service Center. Why choose the Tourist Pass? First, there are no credit card transaction fees. Second, you can spare the hassle of topping up during your stay. Third, it offers greater savings on travel fares. And if you love perks and discounts, the Singapore Tourist Pass unlocks a plethora of offers on food and beverages, attractions, entertainment, local tours, workshops, and more. You can check out these offers at the link in the below description. A few terms and conditions to note. The 1-day coverage of the pass begins from your first usage and lasts until the end of public transport services for that day. The usage of the 2-day or 3-day pass must be on consecutive days. While the pass gives you unlimited travel on public buses and trains, it excludes premium services like Sentosa Express, RWS 8, express buses, and other niche services. Lastly, the prices apply to both adults and children above 0.9 meters in height. If you're looking to get your hands on a tourist pass, here's how you do it at Changi Airport. When you get there, head to the right and exit the MRT station. Once you're outside, walk straight for about 15 meters, and you'll spot the gray self-service machines where you can buy a tourist pass. First, start by selecting your preferred language on the screen. Next, choose the pass package that suits your stay, whether it's a 1-day, 2-day, or 3-day pass. Once you've made your selection, hit the Proceed button. Then, choose your payment method. Remember, cash isn't accepted, so be sure to use your card. Finally, collect your tourist pass and you're ready to explore Singapore. So, which card should you choose? If you're staying in Singapore for a longer period or planning to return, the Ezlink Card might be your best bet. It's flexible, widely accepted, and perfect for occasional use. Plus, it offers rewards and the convenience of using one card for multiple purposes. But if you're here for just a few days and want to maximize your travel with unlimited rides, the Singapore Tourist Pass is your go-to option, offering great savings and access to exclusive perks. However, keep in mind the Ezlink Card has a non-refundable cost and requires a minimum balance to stay active, while the Tourist Pass gives you unlimited travel but can't be refunded once purchased. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Save travels.